Staying up late times, you blow my life. And that's been on my mind a lot lately. I wanna leave the
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. I'm getting ready to do a nice beautiful neutral lip color, or look, I guess color. And so, or no, look. So this is the crayon case, and this shade is called Bear, and I'm going to use this shade to really kind of like act as lipstick and also as lip liner.
We both care about it, but I'll give in with me, just isn't worth it. Quietly beside the green grass, swing, swing, swing the spinning step. You'll wear those shoes and I will wear that dress. So kiss me beneath the milky twilight.
The next shade I'm going to go in is Black Radiance, and this is called So Nude, and I'm using that just in the inside of my lips. And then what I'm going to do after I do put this on the inside of my lips, and I try to get it not perfect because I'm going to blot my lips together. And then this last part is going to be just concealer, and that's really to make everything look nice and like flesh tone. And now I'm going in with this elf what would you call it, like an elf gloss, and this is Mother Pucker gloss, and I mix these two together. And that Mother Pucker gloss, that has a component of a lip plumper in it, and I'm using a makeup brush to apply this last part. And I really I tried this combination off camera like 2 days ago, and I was like, oh my god, this is perfect for a nice neutral lip, especially for us deep skin tone girls, black girls. And I really want to share how I got this look because I thought it was beautiful, and I thought that maybe it would help someone else get like nice, beautiful, neutral lips that are not overpowering. And all you see me doing here is I'm blotting my lips together to make sure that this look is nice and even.
I know that you wanna be my baby. Oh, my bad. Blowing me up, you've been wildin'. We was cool, yeah, we was vibing. Gotta put my phone on silent, so my bad. Blowing me up, you've been wildin'. We were cool, yeah, we were vibing. Gotta put my phone on silent, so my bad. We both care about it, but I'll give in with me, it just isn't worth it. I wanna leave the extra behind, and I know that you wanna be my baby. Oh, my bad.
I hope that you all enjoyed this beauty tutorial on how to do like really nice, soft, neutral lips that can go with any look. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.